If you have only one more chance to transform your HR department into an innovation center to facilitate business breakthroughs that your CEO is waiting for, what would you do? This is the same question I asked myself back in 2016 when I ran a nonprofit, quitting all my hobbies and putting every possible effort, but was facing the edge of shutting down. This is the same question 99% of the HR leaders and specialists asked when I had a chance to work with them during my research around 400 plus companies over 6 years. Finally, I got the answer that helped fuel my organization's success in 2017. And that is also the approach the top 1% companies HR is applying. You are about to reveal that answer in the next few minutes. If you are an HR department, you already understood this is kind of challenging, monotonous, and complex. Just listening some inspiring keynote speeches, panel discussion, a day workshop, or online courses cannot make it happen. You always wonder, what am I doing wrong? What is not working? What is the reason for not getting the budget I need? What is the story of not being on the priority list? You often rethink, I'm doing everything. I am servicing, I'm taking directions from CEO, I'm doing monthly happy hours, I care about my company's success. Month after month, we are waiting for something to change. But others still don't call our HR department an innovative department, and yet nothing does. This is not our fault. We just don't know how. We are sold to process that is limiting our ability to innovate and improvise. We are sold on a model that actually does not empower our HR department to ignite the workforce breakthrough. What is the top 1% companies HR doing? How can they keep creating breakthroughs to double their business growth and revenue? What are they doing differently? Since 2017, I was developing workforce model and applied them in my organization, which fueled my organization's success. That inspired me, so I also continued doing research around 400 plus companies and documented each of the processes, systems in a way that each of the HR professionals and leaders can use to facilitate business breakthroughs. This is not just theory or idea anymore. Tactics, steps, strategies are already proven. So we bottle all things together and put them in a single book. Business growth comes from scaling the executive and the market. Normally, sales and the marketing department scale the market. For that, CEO almost always call them as their right hand. But scaling the executive work left on the hand of HR department. But 65% of the HR leaders said their initiative is failing due to lack of CEO's support. You are trying to move up in your HR career, join more prestigious company, but not getting the offer that you think you deserve because CEOs and CFOs turning you down. 70% CEOs are looking for new HR leader with a transformative skill set. And you don't need to struggle anymore to demonstrate your expertise and your understanding during the interview with them. Other side, when you are in the company, you have ideas, you're asking for a budget for your initiative to make your legacy. But the CEO, CFO always turns your budget request down by not seeing your ability or business acumen. That time is over because you can demonstrate all those to companies, CEOs, CFOs by using this book. Ideas are useful, but just ideas are not enough when an HR professional or leader wants to create a business breakthrough. That's why we have included in this book industry benchmarks, 6+ years of research insight as facilitation, 10+ frameworks, tools, 15+ methods, 50+ downloadable templates, and step-by-step iterative strategy to build a micro breakthrough inside the company. How to scale your executive, how to create breakthrough by the workforce to facilitate the business move from one level to the next level. You can become CEO's partner and strategic advisor for business growth. 100x Business Workforce will be publishing in English and local languages, such as for Vietnam, Vietnamese language, for Malaysia, in Malay language, and so on. If you are a Vietnamese reader, top Vietnamese HR directors and chief people officers will be reviewing the Vietnamese translation of the book. I believe in this so much that just implement one cycle by following this book and other leaders will definitely see a positive impact you can create through your initiatives. For any reason, if you find that the book did not deliver its promises, you can get back to us and get a full refund in the first 14 days. This is not just for startups. This can apply for SME, decent sized company, companies aiming to reach top 20 of their industry, local corporates, regional and multinational companies. Any company that is aiming to grow its business, this book will become the manual for you as an HR leader or professional to create business breakthrough by the workforce. This is a limited time offer, so claim your book 100x Business Workforce today and get all these bonuses by becoming Priority member, and it will only take 2 minutes to fill up the form.